It's the Fire-Boltt Ring 3, and you can see on screen that Virat Kohli is the ambassador of this company, and you can see it is the new model that has been launched today only, and that is the Ring 3. Okay, so wow, it looks really special. Its price is around 10,000, but we have got it very less. Okay, so you can see its month and year of import is June 2022, and manufacture date is also June 2022, and its the country of origin is China as usual. Okay, so you can see it's the Fire-Boltt Ring 3. I'm going to open this one for you, and see, it is having some of the features, new features. Bluetooth calling it is having, that is the new feature in smartphones, in smartwatches, and it is having the 1.8 large display. Wow, what it's really good features it is providing. And you can see 1.8 large display, and you can see heart rate tracking and all other features are here in this. Okay, so let's open this one and let's see. Okay, so we are going to open this one finally, and scissor is too big to open, but we will try to open this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me open this. Yeah. Okay, so on the back side also its packing is really good, totally sealed. Now we are ready to open this finally. Yeah, here it is. Okay, you can see. Oh wow, so beautiful. It's the Fire-Boltt Ring 3. You can see back side, you can see the front side. Its dial is too big, you can see. Okay, so we can remove this one from you can see the Virat Kohli is at the top. Okay, so we can, this temporary display, we can remove this temporary display, and you can see now its display is looking really beautiful. Okay, yeah, so we need to read its instruction, and its charger is also given. See what's there in packing. You can see a lot of cards they have given. We don't know about these cards, but we can see the charger is also given with this one. Okay, for charging. And we can just need to on this one, we can just see it's now running. Okay, I just click here, press for few seconds, then it's just started. Okay, you can see. Okay, so its panel is here. You can see its panel. Okay, it's looking so good. Okay, so we are going to explore its feature, and we'll come back with different review. And you can see we need to study its, the booklet is also given along with this one, and we are going to read out the booklet, and we'll come out we're going to check its features. So that's the smartwatch for you, Fire-Boltt Ring 3 smartwatch. Okay, thank you.